I'm Murat. We have two Mercedes from 15 to work on. First is like I told you last time, the stripes everywhere to clean it. Everywhere, but everywhere. You'll see every drawing, every step. Second, I need second is the seats. The seats are collapsing, like you see. It's not normal. It's collapsing. It's collapsing and it's doing noise. You saw that. They are all collapsing. You see. This is not recliner, and they are all collapsing. So I need to replace this customer also the seats, and the other Mercedes. That is this one that we are working for 3 days. We replaced all of the letter, but it's not enough 300. I need at least another 1000. And all of the seats has also problems. I'm replacing also the seats. מה הבעיה בכיסאות האלה? You see? All of these parts I need to replace everywhere. Everywhere I need to replace them. מה היה הבעיה ברביעייה? חנן, מה היה הבעיה ברביעייה?
הכל שבור, על מה אתה מדבר? הנה, לך
איפה היא?
תראה
איפה
אותם.
הרביעייה? איפה זה שם? איפה היא? איפה היא הכיסאות? נו, דברו איתי. מה הבעיה פה, תראה לי?
זה הכל שבור.
You see, all of those mechanisms were broken. מה היה הבעיה בהם? נחלשו? איפה? אתה יכול לראות לי דוגמה של שבור, מה?
רק שנייה.
This is the old mechanism. Okay, so I need 50 mechanisms.